Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your PlayStation 5 system software from updating. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you don't want your system software to update for various reasons, go on over to settings on the home screen here and select this. Then go on down to where it says system and select it. Then under System Software, let's go to the right and go to System Software Update and Settings. Now, on the top here, we can see my PlayStation is currently up to date. Then we can go down to Download Update Files Automatically. Uncheckmark this. And this says automatically download update files while your PS5 is turned on or in rest mode. Then go to the next one here where it says Install Update Files Automatically. Let's go ahead and uncheckmark this. Automatically install update files while in rest mode. Installation won't start automatically while you're using your PS5. All games and apps you're using will be closed before installation, and unsaved games and app progress will be lost. So these are on checkmark. Now we can back out of here, and if we're really serious about stopping this from updating, what we could do then is go down to power saving, go to where it says features available in rest mode. So if the first couple options didn't work, go to this setting right here. Then we can go to stay connected to the internet. Well, in rest mode, your PS5 can download update files and content. So you can either completely turn off your PlayStation 5, or if you uncheckmark this and you put it into rest mode, well, it won't download any update files from the internet, etc. So you can uncheckmark this. Then we can back out here and go to save data and game app settings. Then go on down to automatic updates. And you can turn this off as well. Auto download. Your PS5 will regularly check for the latest updates and download update files when they're available. You can uncheckmark this. Then auto install in rest mode. If the game or app that will be updated is in use, it will close to allow the update files to be installed. So you can stop your games from updating automatically as well with those settings. Then if you want to manually update it, you could go to the game and press options on and go to check for update. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.